You are correct that I just published a video and a blog post on getting Microsoft 365 for free. But today I will be explaining all the benefits you will receive from having a subscription to Microsoft 365 along with a few expanded features in some of the apps. Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. My name is Alan C. and I will be the host of this video. I will make this a brief video with just a few of the benefits. With a Microsoft 365 subscription, you can work both offline and online. And if your internet goes down, you can still have access to the documents on your computer through the OneDrive folder. Once the internet is connected again, it will sync with your offline directories. If your computer crashes, you can go to any other computer and get your files just by logging into your account. Pricing as of this date of October 2023 is just $99 a year. For that price, you get a lot of bang for your buck. Don't worry, I'm not going to give you the example of cost of buying X number of coffee a year versus the subscription price, but I will say this. Just going out to dinner twice a year will cost more. You can access to many of the other apps that can be used as shown on the left bar and the top of the screen. You see more when you click on the icons on the left toolbar. Teams conference call software, Excel spreadsheets, PowerPoint, and many other helpful tools. On the top right is an all-in-one video recorder and editor named Clipchamp that is simple to use but powerful to create basic, quick videos. They now have a video creator editor app named Designer that is similar to Canva, a text-to-image app, and an AI text generator similar to ChatGPT and others. For the $99, you can add 5 more users to the account that can be separate from yours, but still has access to all the apps. Or keep a couple of the accounts for yourself as a spare or a backup. Even with the multiple accounts, you can set it up so that you can access files between the accounts. What if you go in with a friend or family member? Then it will be just $50 a year for each of you with full access and 3 accounts for each of you. Everything today is going photos or videos. With Google, you will run out of space soon if you have lots of videos and photos saved. With the Microsoft 365 subscription, you get 1 terabyte of file storage for each account. Even just using one account, you probably won't run out of file space. If you need more space, assign yourself a second account and have 2 terabytes of storage to use for more files, or use it to back up the first account's files. Yes, you can get more cloud storage by purchasing file space through Google, Dropbox, or other platforms that offer space. But that can get expensive. For both Google and Dropbox, it's $9.99 a month for 2 terabytes. So times that by 3 for 6 terabytes, or about $360 for 1 year. As you can see that for $99, you get 6 terabytes of file storage, plus all of the Microsoft apps included. I hope you enjoyed this video and will join me in the future videos. Grab a cup of coffee or a cold drink and join me in another video. Use the comments below if you have questions on what was covered here. If you click the like button, this helps creators with YouTube. Thank you, and I hope to see you in many of my videos. This is Alan C. signing off.